Hello everyone, my today's topic is deforestation. I am Ananya Keshri and I am going to speak on the topic of deforestation. So as we can see, deforestation is increasing day by day. As we can see, deforestation is increasing day by day for our uses due to due to deforestation. We can see global warming is increasing day by day. Trees are cutting for our uses, and many animals are dying due to deforestation because they can't survive in without plants, trees, etc.
Question is that how can we stop deforestation?
Thank you for your question. We can stop deforestation stop our extra uses. We are not satisfied what we have. We have to always we always want extra. So if you are satisfied in little, deforestation is.
Ananya, as you mentioned that we can decrease our uses. As we all know that the paper are the main source and trees are the main source for the papers, and our education are depend on the papers and notes. Is there any alternative for the papers that we can use?
Yes, we can now see that there is a new invention of papers that which is made of algae. So we can stop cutting trees.
My topic is importance of AI in education. According to me, AI help us to find anything in the world, and with the help of AI we can edit the videos, projects to help in our works, and with the help of AI we can edit any project easily. Thank you.
As you mentioned that we can use AI for making a project easy. Is there any other reason for using AI in this world, in this generation?
There is many reasons to use of AI apart from project. We can find when we solving any question we don't know the answer, so we mention the question in AI and we get the result. And in study we don't know any meaning of a word, when we putting in AI, so we then know the meaning of the word. Thank you.
I am Adit and I am participate in this activity, and I am put out a chat, and my topic is corruption in politics. So I am going to speak on corruption in politics. Corruption is a very huge issue in state, nation and everywhere. And I have example of present time. In the Namoghat there is a new project, a big hand. There is a big project, joining hand statue, and her project amount is 2 crores. And what materials put in on, there is no any list of materials and everything, but the maximum amount putting by the government is 2 crores. So in my opinion there is a huge corruption in that project. So as well there is a lot of projects in our nation, there is a huge corruption. Thank you.
Can you say that? How can you say that everywhere is corruption held?
Because in that time, if you go and check it, what is going on in every project, you see what corruption is going on.
Aditya Bhaiya, so my question is, I want to know from where corruption starts, from leaders or from common people?
I think there is no both participles. Corruption is a start on every project is by tenders. What the tenders want and what the government do for the tenders. At that place corruption is a start. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sara Aziz, and my today's topic is Rise of smart class. So in my opinion, I can say that in today's generation, we are really need of smart classes because in today's generation, people and children, mainly the students, are only dependent on the screen education. So if we develop our smart classes in any school, we can develop their interest, and we can generate the interest among the students and children, that also help them to study better in any school. Like we all know that students are not getting interest in any school with the teachers, with human teachers. Like if we use blackboard in any school, the teachers are not really that capable of writing on blackboard. If we use smart boards, we can easily get and we can easily understand the thing better, and teacher also find it very useful.
Hello Sara, my question is smart class is not suitable for every subject, and due to smart class, connection between teachers and students are very weak.
Thank you so much for your question. I can say that the connection between teachers and student are not dependent on the smart classes, because if students are interested in study, they will study in smart classes or on blackboard. Like we all know, smart classes are very useful for any children to get better knowledge about anything.